Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial I'm going to show you guys how to reset the Google Chrome web browser without having to uninstall the browser. And this method will also be able to preserve passwords and history that you might have already stored on your web browser. So without further ado, let's jump right into this. And we're going to begin by opening up the Chrome web browser if it's not currently open on your computers. And you want to go and left click on the menu icon in your top right corner. Just left click on it one time. And then go down and left click on settings. Scroll down on this page until you get to the area that says advanced. Left click on that one time. Scroll down again until you get to an area that says reset. Reset, restore settings to their original defaults. Left click inside that box. Please note you're going to get a little pop-up that says this will reset your startup page, new tab page, search engine, and pin tabs. It will also disable all extensions and clear temporary data like cookies. Your bookmarks, history, and saved passwords will not be cleared. Left click on reset to begin this process. It will take a couple moments to run, so please be patient. Okay, so once it's done, I'd recommend closing out of your web browser, reopen it one time, and that should be about it. So I do hope this brief tutorial was able to help you guys out, and as always, thank you for watching, and I look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.